thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. If you're like a lot of Americans and Canadians and folks all over the world, you love the idea of having a UTV to be able to travel around in the woods. And if you're in a wheelchair, it's probably no different for you. One problem, if you got a disability that involves some level of paralysis, the difference between way down here and way up there is quite a jump, and you'd like to get a solution there. So Access Unlimited manufactures two different solutions. One is the multi-lift system, which is shown there's a link down in the videos down below, or the second option for this particular vehicle, which is a Polaris Ranger, is a glide and go. Okay, glide and go is for people that can transfer fairly easily. So I'd like to show you a little bit about the product here. So you've got a transfer platform here, and you pull up to the unit. You can put your safety handle down there, pull up to the unit, get your momentum, transfer right onto it. Okay, now because you're way up high, things move around. You've got a safety arm that wraps around you that gives you the option of reaching down, disassembling your wheelchair, pulling it in without any major commitment there. So we're going to move the wheelchair away just a little bit here. Okay, raise. Once you're up at this level of the seat, get your legs all arranged here. Transfer in. Now you've got the seat right here. Depending on the model of the unit, okay, we can actually lower this down. Some of them will stow in between the door and the vehicle. Some of them you can only go down so low. So we're going to stow the arm here, lower, close the door, and head out. But what's cool about this system, let's say you've got a door like this one where you've got a big old map pocket which gets right in the way. All right, do we have options or are we dead? No, we got some options. Everybody wants to have options. So this whole unit can be disassembled quite easily. We can take that seat off, put it over here, and even this entire arm just comes right off. Very simple, fairly lightweight, easy to move around. Of course, you're going to want to make sure that that's fully secured in the vehicle before you decide to get going, because, you know, obviously a UTV, you got a lot of movement going on, so that's all you've got left in the vehicle. Now, talking about the installation, there's some really cool things going on here. So we've got this unit right here on the Polaris Ranger only. At this point, you know, other ones may be a little different. We've got a slight trim panel modification, but we're bolted right into factory bolt holes. So right there, we're bolted into where the seat goes in. You can see right here, again, we're in factory bolt holes, no cutting, no modification. And right up here, around the corner, you can actually see where it's bolted right into the factory seatbelt location. So that gives you some great options there. Thank you so much for checking out our video. There's lots of other videos in the notes field down below to give you more information on the product. Remember that if you can't do the transfer, we're not dead here, because we've got the multi-lift system that fits right into the same socket here that uses a sling to lift you. So if you can't transfer, you can still get into and out of the vehicle. If you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited and what our philosophy is, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/accessun. We're on Twitter at accessun, Instagram as Access Unlimited, Pinterest as Access Unlimited, 2 words. Our YouTube channel is youtube.com/accessun, and we have over 4,000 different videos showing you every conceivable type of mobility device to get you where you want to go in the way you want to go in the vehicle you want to ride in. Thank you so much for checking out our video. You can contact us at accessunlimited.com. Okay, that's a great way to get a hold of us. But the old-fashioned way, and my favorite, is just give us a call at 1-607-669-4822. Daytimes, Eastern Standard Time, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 615-873-0518. And again, that's United States Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for checking out this cool option on this Polaris Ranger if you need to transfer into the vehicle, and especially if you got doors on the vehicle. Have a great day. Happy trails.